Imagine partnering with your physician to make your family healthier and well. What if you had a caregiver, an advocate, a guide, someone to help you and every member of your family be well? Direct Primary Care offers this better way to achieve improved long-term health. Now imagine the status quo, our broken healthcare delivery system. And Julie develops a cough, a bad one, on the weekend. With her primary care physician unavailable on a Saturday, the family opts for out-of-network urgent care near home and a long, miserable wait. While in the stuffy waiting room, Julie expresses worry that she'll get sicker and not be able to join her first-grade daughter's class field trip to the zoo next week. She finally sees a nurse practitioner, one unfamiliar with her previous bouts with respiratory infection and in a hurry to process as many patients as possible. Julie is prescribed medication for her cough, medication to which she had an adverse reaction several years ago. That night, she gets worse, much worse, and the urgent care facility has been closed for hours. With no one to help, her worried husband calls 911. After a tense ambulance ride, Julie is admitted to the hospital, and after a battery of costly tests, she stabilizes. But she spends the next few days in bed and misses her daughter's class field trip. There is a better way. Affordable, dedicated healthcare service can be yours when you need it, whenever you need it. Direct Primary Care from Total Access Medical offers you 24/7 access to your doctor and his or her clinic resources. Prioritize your personal health and wellness for what you'd spend each month on lattes or basic cable. Our caregivers are there to improve your wellness, not just treat sickness and schedule more appointments. You receive holistic treatment from professionals who know you and your needs. We provide real-time consults when you need them. Get concrete answers, tangible advice, actionable treatment with or without an office visit. Your personal physician guides you through the health services delivery maze. Schedule specialists, coordinate with insurance carrier, renew prescriptions, provide proactive health reminders. Direct Primary Care helps you and your family on the path to long-term health and wellness. Total Access Medical caps physician panels at 600 patients, approximately 25% of the traditional primary care doctor's patient load. Receive instant answers to your questions via email or phone 24/7. We take care of your prescription refills for you, check in regularly regarding routine preventative care, and tailor care to your needs. You are not alone. From simple questions to urgent care, our doctors and clinics are with you 24/7. When a fainting spell landed Rick in the hospital coronary care unit, Dr. David Perkins was with him every step of the way, coordinating care and collaborating with the cardiology team. Living alone and discharged on a weekday when friends were unable to offer a ride, Rick was unsure how he would get home. A nurse from Dr. Perkins' clinic not only drove Rick home, she made sure his fridge was stocked and house in order once he got there. Mary had been dealing with diabetes for many years, but always felt something was missing from her fragmented health care. With her primary care physician seeing a new patient every 7 to 11 minutes, her questions often went unanswered during office visits. When Mary turned on the TV, media warnings about the healthcare system scared her. She just wanted to be healthier. Despite being unsure about the cost, Mary reached out to Total Access Medical. Surprised by how much care she would affordably receive, she joined. Now Mary enjoys same-day appointments, immediate exams, and a direct line to her personal physician. Most of all, she is healthier, more at ease about her care and overall wellness. Direct Primary Care improves your health and wellness without disrupting your life. Our service integrates with your insurance carrier and leverages the existing health services infrastructure to your advantage. Now, let's reimagine Julie's cough. Only this time, her family is part of the Total Access Medical family. She gets a cough, a bad one. Even though it's early Saturday morning, Julie calls her physician clinic. Within an hour, she is in her doctor's office. No waiting room, no administrative hassles. Julie receives care from people who know her and her medical history. Aware of her history of respiratory issues and which treatments work best, her doctor prescribes the right medication. Clinic staff calls in the prescription while Julie is still with the doctor. She begins treatment that day, starts to get better the next morning, and is feeling back to normal just in time for her daughter's field trip to the zoo. Improved health and wellness starts with a better doctor-patient relationship. The foundation of that relationship is the annual executive physical. With that initial, thorough evaluation of your health, you and your doctor can plan for your ongoing wellness. To learn more about how direct primary care works, watch the third chapter of our story, or schedule a complimentary consultation with one of our doctors today.